on my channel. I'm here with Aaron and Cam and our dads, and we're in Gorleston, and we're going to be going on a load of rides. It's the Gorleston Clifftop Festival. Aaron's going to film, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
Right, we'll be on this ride, so let's get on it. See you in a bit, guys.
Let's do it. So brothers, get ready, let's go faster.
Okay guys, we're back. That was scary and fun. Aaron was filming. I feel so dizzy. When we go on the next ride, we'll show you and we'll film it. Yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Okay guys, we're going on the bumper cars now. Me and Cam are going on, Aaron's filming. So yeah, get into it. Be back in a minute. Okay guys, we're going on the bumper cars now. Me and Cam are going on, Aaron's filming. So yeah, get into it. Be back in a minute.
Insert 130, press the pedal and turn the wheel. No hair and bumping, please. One way round the track, 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 please. No hair on bumping, please. One way round the track, please.
Hey guys, we're back. That was the best ride that we've been on so far, wasn't it, Cam?
Yeah,
It still felt like we were on it. It's literally, it was so fun. So yeah, we'll be back. What were you going to say?
I don't know, don't worry.
Aaron's making a fool of himself on YouTube. Alright, we'll be back when we're on another ride, guys. See you in a bit. Guys, we're going in the haunted house. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's go, guys. Shine. Freaking hell, man. This is already scary. Oh god, what the heck? Watch out. What is it? Oh my gosh, guys. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh my gosh. It's so dark. Guys, it's so dark. Cam, wait, Cam, where are you? I'm here. I can't even see. Just go. What? Go. Just come on. I can't even see, guys.
Oh, hello there.
Hello.
How are you, newbies?
How are you noobs?
Oh, well, hello.
Oh, hello there. Look at this dude.
Last time there was an alarm that went off, so just come straight.
Guys, it might be an alarm.
Yeah,
Definitely a jump scare. Freaking hell, man.
can't see anything. Can you turn your flashlight on?
Oh, freaking hell. Let's go. We made it, guys.
Yes, guys, we made it.
We made it. Whew. Guys, that was scary AF. We'll be back soon when we're on a different ride. Hey guys, we're back. We've just been on the other rides that we've already been on. We were going to go on the Skelter, but it's shutting down. So yeah, that's the end of the rides, but we're going to go, I'll film the fireworks, some of the fireworks for you. So yeah, we'll be back in a minute. See you in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. It's really loud. Cam and Aaron, the fireworks are starting. Let's go over it. We just had a football match, didn't we, Aaron?
Yeah.
I won.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
Obviously, because I'm trash.
They look sick.
So we're walking over now. I don't know where we're going.
Well, I've got a picture of toy. Oh, look, there's the ball. No nutmegging me, thank you very much. Cam, this way. Down over here. Okay, guys, we'll be back when the fireworks are on. Oh, well, they already are on, but when we're closer. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, we're back. Yeah, we're moving. Try and get them shots.
Yeah, the fireworks.
Oh, I got that one in.
Next year, any shrapnel, copper, paper, silver and gold, all accepted in this fund.
Make a really loud bag.
So guys, we're going to get a bit closer now.
Yeah, we're going to get a bit closer. This is Aaron's first time being on YouTube.
Yeah, man.
So is mine.
And Cam.
I don't know what.
Yeah, there's Cam.
You can see it from here, can't you?
Do you want me to hold it?
No, it's alright.
I can hold it up.
It's okay. Oh, I should film this way, really. Yeah, I'll film the other way, guys. I'll be back in a bit. Whoa! Whoa! Guys! Oh my god! What? Make loud bangs, guys. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
yes. Oh,
Oh my god. Zoom in out. Oh, it's finished.
there's some more.
Yeah. Okay guys,
So guys, that was it.
yeah, that's the end of the fireworks. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.